Welcome, lovely people of the internet. We are continuing our course, The Fundamentals of Future in English. And today, our mission is to see how we can create questions with will. This is a very important lesson. If you feel the necessity, return to our previous lessons, watch our discussion on the uses of will in negative, so that you can understand with more clarity the discussion today. So let's continue. To make the questions with the simple future, the formula is so now, guys, here's an important discussion. Let's divide it into different moments. The first one, I would like you to ignore the double H questions, okay? Focus exclusively here, focus exclusively on the will, the subject, and then the verb, okay? Why is that? Because this is what we call a close-ended question. When I ask, will you read a book? You can answer me, yes, I will, or no, I will not, right? Or won't. Will they watch a movie? Will she study grammar? Will he travel on business? So this is a question that the only possibility for answer is yes or no. And then we see that when we ask this question, we invert, right, the subject with will. Because in affirmative, we say, I will travel. In interrogative, we invert and then we say, will I travel? You will go. This is affirmative. In the interrogative, will you go? So we invert. You see that will now is before the subject, right? Will I go? Will you go? Will she go? I'm using go as an example, but you could use any other verb, such as play, study, work, take, have, so on and so forth. So will he go? Will she go? Will it go? Will we go? And will they go? So here we have this inversion of will and the subject. This is the first moment of our discussion. Now let's get to the second moment of our discussion, because now we will include what we call the double H questions. Okay, guys? Double H questions, they are extremely important in English because they give us versatility. They give us the possibility to talk and ask about different topics. Here you will find 6 different double H questions. You will find where, that talks about local, why, that talks about reason, when, that talks about time, how, that talks about manner. So how will you travel? I will travel by plane. This means that the manner, the way that I will use to travel is the plane. The person, we use who, right? Who will you travel with? I will travel with my family. And what? What will you do there? I will visit museums, I will go to parties, I will go to pubs. What will you do there? What will you watch? What will you read? Okay, so you see, guys, that we put these pieces of the puzzle together, right? So that we can create more elaborated questions. So this is the formula. Make sure, guys, to take notes of our discussion. Make sure to write this formula on your notebook. Watch this video repeated times, okay? Download the materials. You will be able to download the materials, the PDFs that you are watching here for you. The link is in the description below, and you will have also some exercises to practice what you are learning. Very important to practice and actively interact with what you are studying. And then let's check out these examples here, just to take the message home. Where will you Go after the class. This is an open-ended question, right? Will she come to the party? This is a close-ended question because I can say yes, she will come to the party, or no, she will not come to the party. Will they visit us tomorrow? So, a close-ended question. And why will you buy this pair of sneakers? Okay, guys. I even suggest you writing your sentences, okay? Before continuing to the next lesson, pause this lesson a little and create 5 close-ended and 5 open-ended questions, okay, to practice this structure. See you on our next discussion.